Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make milkmaid using milk powder, only ways. Measure 1 cup of cold or warm water and add 4 tablespoons of milk powder, then whisk briskly until fully dissolved. Use a fine mesh strainer to remove any remaining lumps and refrigerate for at least 1 hour to improve flavor and consistency. Taste and adjust powder for creaminess, then serve chilled or use in recipes as desired. Keep it simple. Use a whisk, fork, or handheld frother to get a silky texture without lumps. Start with warm water to help the powder dissolve, then cool the milk quickly in the refrigerator to preserve taste and safety. A tight sealing bottle or pitcher keeps odors out and extends freshness for several days. Label with the date, and always smell and taste a small amount before using, especially if stored more than 2 days. Quick pause, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation, I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere. It's a handy companion while you sip or cook. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and it supports the channel when you buy. Thanks for the support, now let's get back to the video. If you prefer richer milk, add a bit more powder. For lighter milk, reduce the powder slightly and taste as you go. A tiny pinch of salt or a drop of vanilla extract can brighten flavor without increasing sweetness. Sweeten to taste with sugar, honey, or syrup, but add gradually to avoid oversweetening. Mix thoroughly and chill, since flavors meld and mellow in the refrigerator for the best drinking experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.